In today's world, AI can be a benefit, but also a threat. AI not only defends, but also threatens our digital lives with all that it can do for both good and bad. This dual role of AI in cybersecurity is reshaping how we protect our data. Let's explore this fascinating transformation. Cybercriminals are harnessing AI to craft more sophisticated attacks. AI-driven malware and phishing schemes are evolving rapidly, making traditional defenses obsolete. The urgency for proactive strategies has never been more critical. With AI, attackers can automate and personalize threats, increasing their success rates. This new wave of cyber threats demands innovative solutions to stay ahead of malicious actors. AI enhances threat detection by identifying patterns and anomalies faster than humans. Machine learning algorithms predict potential breaches, allowing for swift responses. These tools are revolutionizing our defense strategies. By leveraging AI, organizations can anticipate and neutralize threats before they materialize. This proactive approach is essential in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Real-world examples showcase AI's power in thwarting cyber threats. Companies have successfully implemented AI-driven solutions, enhancing their security posture. These case studies highlight AI's transformative impact on organizational security. Learning from these successes, businesses can adopt AI to bolster their defenses. The evidence is clear: AI is a game-changer in cybersecurity. While AI is a powerful tool, human expertise remains irreplaceable. Cybersecurity professionals interpret AI data, turning it into actionable insights. Arrakis Consulting offers expert guidance in integrating AI effectively. Our team bridges the gap between AI technology and human intuition, ensuring robust security solutions. Together, we can harness AI's potential while maintaining a human touch. Arrakis Consulting delivers tailored AI and cybersecurity solutions. With over 25 years of experience, our team is equipped to tackle any challenge. Contact us for consultative support and training to see how we can help you excel better. Our expertise helps ensure your organization stays ahead of emerging threats. Partner with us to secure your digital future and gain peace of mind. By partnering with Arrakis Consulting, you'll fortify your defenses against AI-driven threats. Take the first step towards a secure digital environment today. Reach out to us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com or visit www.arrakisconsulting.com. Together, we can build a safer digital world and help secure your business. Let's recap. AI is reshaping cybersecurity, offering both challenges and solutions. By leveraging AI and human expertise, we can protect our digital assets effectively. By integrating AI with expert guidance, you'll enhance your security posture. Let's secure your future together. Contact Arrakis Consulting today to start your journey towards a secure digital future. Together, we can make a difference.